Unlock a supercharged photography workflow by tethering your Canon EOS R5 directly to Lightroom Classic. First, on your Windows 10 computer, head over to the Canon support website and download EOS Utility. Make sure to select the version compatible with your EOS R5. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the license agreement and choosing your installation preferences. Now, on your EOS R5, navigate to the camera's menu, find the communication settings, and ensure that Wi-Fi Bluetooth functionality is enabled. Back on your computer, open EOS Utility. You'll see several options. Click on Remote Shooting. Now, using a compatible USB-C cable, connect your EOS R5 directly to your computer. With the camera connected, open Adobe Lightroom Classic. Go to File, then Tethered Capture, and select Start Tethered Capture. A settings window will appear here. You can define your session name, metadata, and choose the destination folder for your images. Click OK to confirm. And just like that, you're ready. Every shot you take on your EOS R5 will now instantly appear in Lightroom Classic, ready for immediate review and adjustments. This seamless integration not only streamlines your studio workflow but also enhances efficiency, giving you real-time feedback during your photo shoot.